Hello, my planner friends. It's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I'm going to be doing my Plan With Me video for the first week of June. And today I'm going to be doing a watermelon theme. If you didn't see my Plan with My Planner video, I will go ahead and link it up at the top. Kind of gives you an idea of what I'm going to be doing for this month's planners. So let's go ahead and jump in and start. And this week I wanted to use the watermelon theme, like I just said. And I kind of mentioned this in the other video, but one of the things with this particular scrapbooking kit from Simple Stories is that it didn't really have a watermelon paper. The watermelon paper was behind the journaling cards here. So I had to basically make use of what I had. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a strip of the watermelon paper across the page and kind of work with it that way. Now I bought this little sequins patch thing a while back from Five Below, and was super excited because I actually totally forgot that I had it. So it was like perfect for this, and I'm definitely going to use that. So I'm going to go ahead and get the paper cut up here into the strip, and while I am going to go ahead and do that, I just want to kind of just talk through a little bit about kind of what's going on in the country. I don't typically do this in my videos. I don't generally bring up things that are going on in the country, but it was really difficult for me to do this video and specifically just kind of sit down and craft. But I really am trying to do 52 weeks in my planner, and I feel like I've been doing really good so far, and it's kind of like almost the middle of the year, and I feel like I really want to push through and try to get this done. So I just I forced myself to do it, and I don't know if it's my most bestest one I've ever done, but it turned out pretty cute at the end, and I am happy that it's done, and I have something to document what my week. And so I guess I just want to encourage you, if you are feeling that way or feeling kind of discouraged by the world today, that we do have hope in crafting. You can take some time and craft and maybe give yourself a little bit of time to just forget about things. And I hope that that's what this video does for you guys. It just helps you kind of forget about things for a couple minutes. So you can see what I'm kind of doing. I'm setting everything up and kind of laying things out as I typically do. And here I have a couple of 2x2 squares that I wanted to use. I really liked that Hello Summer. I don't end up pulling that watermelon one, but I think I am going to put it somewhere on the page because I do want to use it, but I just not in this particular video. I didn't use it. And I also wanted to use this little piece too. I loved the fact that it had the same kind of element, the little banner element into like on the side panel, or the little chipboard sticker. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut it to cover the top squares, and then I'm going to put the bottom on the bottom of it. So you'll see here in a minute what I'm talking about. But yeah. So I cut that in half, and then I'm going to put that at the top there. And then I'm just going to go ahead and put the other little piece that I just cut off on the bottom. And I'm just going to move those things. And that little watermelon is a chipboard sticker from the set. And yeah, I really like how that turned out. So I had that little piece of vellum watermelon there, and I really was trying to use that because I thought it was super cute, and I really wanted to try to use it, but just whatever I was trying to use it just didn't end up working right into the layout. So maybe I'll use it later. Maybe I'll try to find some way to add it, but for now it didn't get added into the spread. But that's okay. All right, so I wanted to have another piece, like another pop of color. So I went ahead and cut another piece of this green paper. It actually has a watermelon on the other side of it, but and I pulled it specifically to use the other side of the watermelons, but I didn't end up using them. I used the green. I just felt like I needed another little contrasting color. So yeah, so I'm just looking at the stickers, trying to kind of map out what I want to do with the layout and kind of what stickers I wanted to use. And I thought since I had that little piece of um, scrap there, I'm going to go ahead and put it underneath the red just to give it another layer. So I'm just cutting it up a little bit because it's a little bit uneven. And then I'm just going to set that kind of like that. So just to kind of let that Hello Summer pop out, plus that sticker kind of pops out a little bit more. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and get everything glued down just using my adhesive tape from Glue Dots. And yeah, so I really think this one turned out really cute. And I'm really super glad, like I said earlier, that I went ahead and kind of forced myself to do it. Sometimes you just kind of have to put it away and do something that makes you happy. And it was nice. I was watching I was actually watching something on Hulu and just kind of, taking my time, and it was nice to spend the time doing that. So I encourage you, like I said, if you are getting a little bit down about whatever is going on in the world, just maybe take some time to sit and create something. All right, so let's go ahead, and once we get all this stuff glued down, I'm going to take the two little pieces that I used for the sequins, um, and I'm going to staple them together. I just want to staple that little bloom and grow um, on top of that today is. And then we're going to go ahead and go to sticker time. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and get my journaling card done. And I had this piece of paper I think it was from actually a Cheaply Chic uh, journaling collection that she had put out, and I never ended up using it in the collection. But I really thought it would be perfect for this particular spread because I loved that it had watermelons on it. So what I'm going to do is there's a couple cloud stickers the in the book. Um, I mean, on the little 12 by 12 piece of paper that came with the stickers, and then in that little tablet book that I have, it had some clouds in that as well. And I loved this little sweet memories sticker, and I loved that it had navy and it matched the navy that was in the paper there, that little 6 by 6 paper. So I just put some pop dots on there, some pop foam adhesive tape, and I just put that on there, and pretty simple, but I love how that turned out. And then I decided just wanted one more watermelon element in there, so I'm going to go ahead and put this little cut apart there. I just cut that out of that journaling card and put that sticker down so it looks kind of like a blanket or a table. And then I'm going to go ahead and put that little piece of watermelon on there. And I do use some like pop dots also to kind of prop that up a little bit so it has a little bit of dimension as well. And yeah, so once I get that glued down, we'll go ahead and take a look at the spread. But let's go ahead and get that glued on first, right there on the side. Yeah, super simple, but it's turned out really sweet. And let's go ahead and put it in the book. I'm so happy with it. I think it turned out really cute, and I just love that sequence sticker in there. So super happy with it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. As always, check out my description box for a list of all sorts of videos if you're looking for something to kind of watch for the next couple days. I hope that you guys enjoyed. I'll see you again next week. Bye for now.